Hey, what's up? You're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and today we are testing Full HD projector JIMTAB M18. It has 4500 lumens brightness, 300-inch projection size, Dolby audio and many connectors. The price on Amazon is about $220. I will leave the link to buy projector in description under the video. Without further ado, let's get started. This is a box of JIMTAB M18 projector. We can see how the projector looks like. Also, there is model name and LED portable projector inscription on the front. Actually, the projector is not portable. In my opinion, the portable projector should have a built-in battery, but JIMTAB M18 doesn't have it. When you open the box, you get another cardboard box with accessories. Let's take a look at them. There is HDMI cable, power cable, AV cable, remote control and user manual. Nice. Of course, there is a projector in the box. It is well packed, so it will not be damaged during delivery. Now let's talk about design of JIMTAB M18. Projector comes in a single color option, Dark Star. Visually, it is divided into two parts. On the left we can see glossy plastic that looks like wood. On the right part is also made of plastic, but it is matte. There is control panel on the right side, such as up, down, left, right, OK, play source, menu and power. On the top there is focus ring and keystone adjustment. The ports and connectors are located on the back and left side. There is a VGA port, IR sensor for remote control, 2 USB ports and 2 HDMI ports on the back. On the left we can see memory card slot, AV and 3.5mm audio jack. By the way, the second IR sensor for remote control is located on the front. On this picture you can see internal structure of projector. So the air comes in from the left side and goes out from the right side. This system provides good cooling. By the way, the manufacturer promises maximum noise level 50 decibels, but we will check it later. Also, I want to show you remote control. It is made of black plastic with white buttons. There is power button, mute, play, pause, source, menu, OK, rewind and back. The remote control is powered by two 3A batteries. I think that's all about design. Now let's go to Amazon product page and look at the main features of JIMTAB M18 projector. As I already said, the main feature of this projector is Full HD native resolution. However, it supports up to 4K video playback. The brightness is 4500 lumens, that's very good. The contrast is 5000 by 1. The maximum projection size is 300 inches, while the minimum is 50 inches. JIMTAB M18 is long throw projector, so you have to place it at a distance from 1.7 to 9.2 meters from the wall. Also, projector is equipped with 5-watt speaker. JIMTAB M18 doesn't have its own operating system, so you have to connect external device, for example, USB flash drive, microSD memory card, smartphone, laptop, game console and others. The user interface without connected device is quite standard. There are 4 sections: movie, music, photo and text. The settings menu is also the same as on other projectors I have tested before. You can change picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projection distance, reduce display size. There are also audio settings, time and other options such as language, software updates. Before watching videos, I want to check the noise level and volume level. As you can see, the maximum noise level near projector is 45 decibels. The volume at 50% is 68 decibels. And 75 decibels at 100% volume. Now I will play some videos in total darkness and a light room. Write in the comments below whether you like the projection quality or not. I will tell you my opinion later. By the way, I have a special reflective projector screen. You can buy the same on AliExpress for only $20. I will leave the link in description under the video.
I'm guessing you might have a few questions. Let me bring you up to speed. As soon as school ended, Noah and I...
Wilford Industries wishes you good morning. Mr. Wilford would like to address the rumors of disturbances in the town. Let me assure
points here in the fourth quarter.
That was just a fantastic jab step right.
Bush turns left side, dives for the pylon, he's in. Reggie Bush, and there's a fleur de lis.
Imagine if Call of Duty Warzone Downtown was the blueprint for an entire map. But classic 1990s FPS style launchpads are dotted all over the city to fire players over the skyline. On the way back,
photorealism on par with movie CGI and real life, and put that within practical reach of development teams of all sizes, meaning in a year or so, any development studio
As you can see, JIMTAB M18 has really good projection quality. The image is bright in contrast. The focus is also good. You can use a projector even in a light room, for example presentations. I like that projector has many ports and connectors, so you can connect any device such as game console, laptop, smartphone, etc. JIMTAB M18 is a really good projector for the price only $220. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.